ekyakomokaho Omuriro ogwo na hati tikikamanyirwe.
Very unfortunate because the structure that has caught fire, according to me, it is costing a lot of money. It means one of my traders, one of my landlords within Central Division has got a problem. And this is where we get property tax. We as Central Division, we are greatly affected.
This morning, fire gutted a building that is adjacent to Post Bank branch in Kasese, and properties worth millions of shillings has been destroyed.
Nelson Tumushime omugambirizi wa polisi abw'ekyanga kya Rwenzori nagira ngu ebintu byingi byacwekera Omuriro ogwo.
This is a dry season. It is very hot. The weather is very hot, and all the businesses and premises in Kasese are prone to catching fire in this season. So we are appealing to the people, especially the people who own businesses in Kasese, to have firefighting equipments.
Okuraza Omuriro kwayebemberwa ihe rya Uganda People's Defense Force.
In fact, I appreciate the UPDF. When they appeared on the site, police officers had failed, then they came and rescued the situation by breaking the water standpipe and starting pouring water where there is a fire.
Banga ebintu byaffe byayide bisinga zino zoka be basurveys bize naye abasinga bonna ebintu byabibiyide kitukosesa nnyo.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzo muri Kasese.